What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. That's right, and this is 4K 30 wide-angle video. Okay, now the 4K 60 does not do wide-angle video yet here on the Fan Edition, but on the 4K 30 you can do wide-angle. You could also change your modes here. Do the standard mode here, and then you could also do the one button 3x zoom here on the ducky. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna just experiment here and show you a sample of the format of the wide angle 4K 30. Okay, so we're gonna do a little walking and talking, and then we're gonna come over here to the trees and kind of do a little zoom test here. Not a zoom test, but a focus test, and see exactly how good the focus is here. So it seems pretty good for a Samsung phone, because usually their focus can be a little slow to the trigger, but this seems like it's pretty good. And yeah, if you want to do wide angle, obviously you could do 1080p, 60 and 30, but this is the 4K 30, so if you want to go high resolution, I personally don't ever shoot 4K for any videos with my family or anything I'm doing. Even with videos for the YouTube channel, I use 1080p 30 or 60. A lot of people, you know, they're brats and they want to go 4K 60. That's fine. But you know, broadcast standard, just to give you a little information, in the broadcast industry is still 1080p 60 in 2020. And it's probably going to be a while, because 4K just takes a long time to process and render, whether it's a live broadcast or even if you're editing. So just a little inside information from the broadcast world. The broadcast standard is 1080p 60. But this is, you know, Samsung does great job on their video cameras. You know, the Note 20 Ultra has great cameras. This Samsung S20 FE is really good. Then you got the S20 line with the regular S20, the Plus, and the Ultra. So, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys a feel of the wide angle on the Fan Edition, so that you guys can kind of get a feel of what you're getting. So, you know, it's kind of nice to shoot in wide angle. You might need it for some landscape, or even something like this beautiful day here on the lake, or even if you go to the beach or the mountains, you know, ski resort, whatever it may be. But all right, that's gonna do it. This is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition and the 4K 30 wide angle. But that's gonna do it, man. I'm Android Stud. Follow me on Twitter at Android Stud, also on Instagram. Leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and hit that thumbs up. I appreciate every one of you guys. See you guys later. Peace.